Supreme Court has refused to entertain a batch of petitions demanding an investigation into 26 January violence during the tractor rally. A bench headed by Chief Justice of India S.A. Bobde has categorically rejected the pleas and directed the petitioners to file representation before the government. Speaking on the petitions, the CJI has said that the top court cannot interfere in the case as it is an administrative matter. CJI Bobde also added that the government is investigating the violence case and also highlighted Prime Minister's statement that law will take its own course. A total of 3 petitions were filed in the Apex Court. It sought setting up a panel headed by former Supreme Court judge. The petition sought NIA probe and a case against individuals who insulted the tricolour. So that's the latest coming in as far as the Supreme Court is concerned on the tractor violence. SC has refused to entertain these batch of petitions demanding investigation into the violence that took place on Republic Day on 26th of January here in the national capital during the tractor rally. The bench is headed by S.A. Bobde. They've categorically rejected all these pleas, directed the petitioners to file a representation before the government instead. And speaking on the petitions, the CJI has also said that the Supreme Court cannot interfere in the case as this happens to be an administrative matter. He has also gone ahead and said that the government is investigating the violence case, highlighting Prime Minister's statement that law will take its own course. A total of 3 petitions, remember, were filed in the Apex Court. It sought setting up a panel headed by former Supreme Court judge. Petition also sought the NIA probe. It sought a case against individuals who insulted the tricolour. Anisha now joins us live for the very latest. Anisha, first up, can you walk our viewers through the 3 petitions that are in question here, which were filed in the Apex Court, and what are the 3 petitions sought exactly?
All petitions that were filed today have now been dismissed by the Supreme Court. Please remember that the court, CJI, has said that investigation is ongoing. It is not for the court to interfere at this stage. Now, 2 of these petitions had raised concerns regarding the insult to the national flag. They had also said that the kind of violence that had happened should not have been allowed to happen, that there should be an NIA or an SIT probe. An SIT probe, in fact, headed by a retired Supreme Court judge and including retired High Court judges. Now, those petitions had said that what had happened was something that has deeply shamed the country and there should be a proper inquiry. A 3rd petition had also raised the concerns that the farmer protesters are unfairly being labelled Khalistani, and that kind of labeling should not be done. They had also raised concerns that there was some deeper conspiracy behind what happened at the Red Fort on the 26th of January. However, the Apex Court has said that whatever investigation is going on will take on all aspects of the issue. All sides will be investigated. And since the Prime Minister has made a public statement saying that the investigation is ongoing and law will take its own course, it is not for the court to interfere at this stage. The court has effectively dismissed all petitions that were filed seeking investigation or an SIT or NIA inquiry into the 26 January violence in Delhi. Back to you.
All right, leave it at that. Thanks so much, Anisha, for getting our viewers up to speed with the very latest that is coming in on this story. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.